Forgive us our debt as we forgive our debtors. Good evening, Grouch of the Baptist Church. Today's lesson will be all on forgiveness. So, have you ever heard of, we've been teaching a lot about forgiveness. We call it the 3 bolts of Grouch of the Baptist Church. Love, forgiveness, and thankfulness. Matter of fact, these 3 stones we have here in our Lexi Hall, the first one is love, forgiveness, thankfulness. These are the 3 bolts to Grouch of the Baptist Church. The 3 bolts. That is what runs the church. So you could see how important it is for me to teach you. You know why? Because without love, you will not inherit the kingdom of God. I've come to you, and it's going to be a quick one, but I've come to you to share with you the 3 bolts of Grouch of the Baptist Church. Love. You think, write in the comments below, this is going to be the funniest thing I'll ever say. Or maybe this most serious thing. Write in the comments below if you would be willing to go and get nailed to a cross. Now remember, if you for a murder or hundreds of murders you didn't commit. And I know there isn't going to be a comment. I might even get cussed out for asking that. But guess what? It's real. Jesus is the only one that would do that. Only Jesus himself would do that. He'll be the only one that writes in the comments. And guess what? He already has done it 2,000 years ago. Some scholars may say it was the 1st century. Some scholars may say it might be 1 AD because it's 227. It's actually 2016 AD now. That is the current time, 2016 AD. So over 2,000 years ago. But we don't know exactly when. It was BC AD. Any time before the gap. But there should be a gap of 33 years because Jesus walked the earth for 33 years. So it wasn't before Christ, it wasn't after his death either. So I have to study more on that subject. But that's just food for thought. So what about this whole theology about the 2nd bolt of Grouch of the Baptist Church? Forgiveness. Thankfulness. I just taught a lesson about that literally this morning. Well, yesterday morning. 2nd bolt is forgiveness. When you forgive, that frees you. And the last bolt of Grouch of the Baptist Church, this one, although it holds it all in orbit. Thankfulness.